If I didn't tell you that this hair is a synthetic hair, you probably believe me, right? If I told you that this hair is a raw donor bounce, you would believe me. Because why not? It is looking so beautiful and voluminous. This hair didn't come looking like this. It was styled to make it look this way, and that is what I'm going to show you in this video. Welcome back to my YouTube channel, and today I'm going to show you how I styled this hair to perfection. So if you're into hairstyling or just a beginner into hairstyling, this video is perfect for you because it's very detailed and beginner friendly. Even if you're not a hairstylist, you can also do your hair like this. First things first, you start by styling the closure. Get me a picking comb, a hair wax, and a holding spray. Cut out little sections of the hair, apply the hair wax and apply the holding spray, and use your hot comb to flatten. This hair is a center part, and if you notice how I am flat ironing this hair, I'm sending everything backwards. After flat ironing it, use your sprit gel to spray on the hair. This will give it extra hold and firmness for the closure to lay flat for a very long time, as well as make it soft. Like, it's not too hard, it's not too soft, okay? It's just in between. Repeat the same process on the other side of the hair and you're good to go. When you're done, use a melting band to flatten the hair. As you can see, I'm using my pins to melt it down, to hold down the band, just as you're seeing in the video. Swell up like the ocean. It feels like I could drown in my tears. If you're a returning subscriber, thank you for coming back to my channel. And if you're new to this channel, please hit the subscribe button so that you will be seeing beautiful hair tutorials and beginner friendly hacks on hair. When you're done placing your band, all you have to do is use your comb to comb it to the side so that it will fall to the side instead of backwards. When you're done, also apply your spray gel to give it that flat hold. This is just the first part of the hair. The second part is to layer, give it that soft layer look you saw in the video. Like I said, this hair is a soft layered bounce that was styled by me. To give it that soft layer, we'll start by defining our face frame, and as you saw, I brought out some part of the closure and then hold it in together. The same thing I did the front, one side of the hair, I will do the same thing at the other side. And if you notice from the video, from where I am bringing out my hairs, so that is exactly how you're going to bring out your hairs for layering. Hate it when my doubts and my fears swell up like the ocean. It feels like I could drown in my tears. So when I'm done sectioning the hair, I brought out a very little piece from the front of the frontal. This is the first guide to your layering. So when I brought it out, I brought out the double parts, like the two parts, the two sides. Remember, it's a center part, so brought out the two sides and then cut out where I want the layer to start. As you can see from the video, when I dropped it, it's already giving that face frame, okay? So this is just how to go about it. And then after doing that, you feather the hair and then use the guide to cut out the remaining part of the front part, like the first section I did, and you flip it to the side. Okay, I'm cutting the second part from where the first guide stopped. I have a detailed tutorial, a very beginner hack on how to cut your layering on this channel. I'm going to put it as an end screen or a card right here so that you will see exactly what I'm saying. So if you've not watched that video, please rush now and go and watch that video. It's very beginner friendly and also very detailed. So I'll be doing the same thing on the other part of the hair. If you notice how I flipped my hand, the other way to be able to cut out this part of the hair. I wanted to also layer the back of this hair, but I changed my mind because I didn't want it to have layers at the back. I just wanted that soft layers on the front of the hair. And after everything, this is how it is looking. Have you seen that slant look is giving already? So after it, I started coiling the hair, and
you just gotta be fearless. 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 I did it all, I played pretend, I moved the mountains to be your friend. I wanna know if it mattered. I would have gone to war for you, I would have bent the earth in two just to get to our ever after. Something about this has changed, I wanna feel you close again. Don't let go, no, I don't want this to end. Whoa. Remember the start when you're breaking my heart again, like blood on a pen. Would it matter then, when everything starts to fade? I'm back like it's yesterday. Would it all consent? Would it matter then? Would it matter then? I did it all, I bore the weight on my shoulders like it was fate. Don't tell me it was for nothing. You told me love wasn't true, 'cause it didn't feel real to a cynic like you. But I'm pretty sure we walked into something.
when you're done coiling, you allow it to dry for some days, and then you loosen the coils and use your serum at night, then comb it out, and it will give you that sweet result you saw at the beginning of this video. See you in my next video. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell. See you guys later. Bye.